So I'm happy that everybody of you can join today. We discussed it internally, but I will just make a very short summary. So idea of the session today that I will present you the problem that I found several days ago on Adobe Commerce system. And you can drop your ideas, questions, and let's see if you can reach the goal and you can guess what the problem was or why was it happened. Yeah, so feel free to ask anything in any direction. I'll give you a clue if we stuck a bit. Let's see what will happen. So I have clean Adobe Commerce system. There are no third-party extensions. They're all possible Adobe Commerce modules which Adobe provided out of the box. And when I'm on a PDP page, on a random one, basically, and I'm clicking it to cart button, the service works. But I'm currently the guest user. So if I'm trying to do the login, and we'll do the same action, then I see this error, and it's happening on all PDP pages. Whatever I click, when I'm trying to add it up to cart, I'm getting this error. By the way, I also can give you already the clue, like I didn't find anything in logs, so they're literally empty.
Need to think a bit.
Is it B2B or?
It's B2B module installed, yes. Alex, you wanted to say something?
Yes, stock is enabled or not? I mean,
Stock is enabled,
management.
yes. Yes.
Then need to, I guess, to check the stocks, something related.
I can tell you already it's not relevant. So it's not a stock issue.
Is it relevant to B2B issues, to B2B features?
Yes, yes.
Is it relevant to requisition list
No.
module? No.
No.
Might be something with company. If it's B2B, does the customer attached to the company?
That's a very good direction.
In this case, we should check if company exists at all.
I can tell you that this customer is not belongs to any company.
Okay.
So maybe he has in context, like has no company, and Magento tries to get company for the customer, something like this, and throw an exception.
Okay, that was faster than I expected. If I would have a bottle of wine, I would like to give it away to Oleg. But I don't have any. Yes, so basically you're right on, let's say, 90%. There for sure, if you will start to debug and just to understand what's happening, you will see it. Let me show you. So basically, as you see here, what it's trying to do, when you add it to the shopping cart, there are a B2B plugins. So for me, it was first like how it can be related to customer, because I just added product to the shopping cart. If you trying to add the product to the shopping cart, the B2B module has a plugin on shared catalogs. So basically, because every customer can have own prices and own stock availabilities and product availabilities. So it's trying to load the company for the customer, but customer is not assigned to any company, and it's 0, and it's causing this error. So basically, problem happening on this plugin, which called before add product to the cart for shared catalog module. And like Magento developers back past in the days were quite clever ones. So they have this validation here. Is company configuration enabled? The first one, and the second one is company equal to null.
But strict equal.
Yes, but strictly equal to null, right? So it have to be null, so like no assignment at all. And then it's returning just, so it's not doing anything. So the error basically happening, just to let you know, somewhere here. It's getting customer, and it's say 0, and it just dropping the exception.
Getting company.
Yeah.
0.
Because company ID is 0. So what's happened? First of all, I updated B2B version between about 1.4 and 1.5. So if you will use somewhere in the project in the future 1.5 of B2B, know about this one. So, and after updating it, if you know the feature list, they're allowed to have per customer multiple companies. So one customer can be assigned to multiple companies.
Wow.
On Magento version B2B 1.5, and the same, there is a company and sub-companies as a new feature. So yeah, you can have main company and then like subdivisions, which are another entities.
Company advanced customer entity. It's company between customer. Yeah, it's company ID, customer ID.
Yes. So basically, as you can see, yeah, that's my customer, number 5, and it has company ID here 0. But basically then when it's loaded the 0 value here. By loading the 0, it's always will throw an exception because it cannot load the company.
Previously, I had on project another issue that sometimes when you remove the company, I mean, there was some logic which should reset in this table to 0 company ID. For admin, all good, but for all other users, it was not resetted. And next time when you try to go to admin in customer edit page, it breaks. It breaks and not available. You cannot change only in database directly.
Good. So that was short, which is good, I guess. It means we have a well knowledge guys here. Cool. Then thanks a lot, and looking forward for the further sessions. I mean, also if you have anything you want to share or you have some similar topics, drop me a message. We can make a call on it.